All right, so it's finally here. All right, so it's finally here. Painting of a good friend of mine, Edward Littleton. Go check him out. He has his own YouTube channel, although he hasn't been uploading much on his YouTube channel lately. But he sent me this cool paintings. He sent me pictures of what it looks like. Unfortunately, it's pouring here, and the box got completely wet. So hopefully inside nothing is damaged. I don't want to show the front because the front has my address, and I don't want people to figure out my address for obvious reasons. But let's cut this sucker open and I'll show you guys the paintings inside. I'm gonna have to use two hands because I don't want to rip the painting. So give me a second. All right, so they're neatly packaged. I like how you wrap them. Very professional, very professional. I like it. I like it. So it looks like there's a little bit of water damage, but hopefully there isn't any damage in the paintings. So let me rip them open as soon as possible because I don't want them to be ruined. All right, guys, so here they are. Check these things out. They're freaking awesome. Look at this. This guy's got some talent, I gotta tell you. This guy has talent. So this is Edward Littleton. If you guys haven't followed him on YouTube, go check him out. There he is, that's his name. He sent me pictures of these, and when he sent me pictures, I like this one a lot better. But now that I have them in person, this thing looks freaking like the colors stand out, like they pop out really nicely. He did a very, very good job on this one. I really, really like this one. They're definitely gonna go hung up. They're definitely gonna get hung up on my office. So these are freaking cool, man. This guy has some freaking talent. I really like this. This is really cool. The colors on it and everything, really cool. I love this too. Don't get me wrong. I really, really like this one. Like the Commando Elite are freaking awesome. First of all. So I really like, I like the Commando Elite better than I like the Gorgonites, but, and this picture is really cool, but I really like this one. This one is freaking awesome. Thank you, Edward. This is amazing, amazing work. You're very talented. This thing is cool, man. I appreciate you sending these to me because I'm definitely gonna hang these up. So thank you very much, man. I appreciate you. Look at these. Look at the detail on these things. He must spend a lot of time on these. Really cool, man. Let's show off the other one. That looks cool. That's amazing. That's my favorite guy, Kip Killian. And of course you got the leader chip, Link Static. Second favorite, or no, this is actually my second favorite, Nick Nitro. But yeah, cool stuff, man, cool stuff. Again, these are definitely going in my office. Thank you so much. I'm glad they're not ruined by the rain. Luckily, my mailman or mail lady, I know her. I helped her out one time because the cart got her mail cart got ruined, or it got stuck on the snow, so I had to push it out. So we got to know each other that way. So she's really nice, and she comes and she makes sure that I knew that there was something in my there was a package there waiting for me outside. So she rang the doorbell to make sure that I went outside and got it before they got soaking wet. So I'm glad she's super nice like that and didn't get ruined. So yeah, big thumbs up to her and big thumbs up to Edward Littleton. I'm gonna leave his link down below. Go check him out. He does really amazing stuff. He got the one thing that I really like the most that he's done so far is the Jurassic Park, the Chaos Effect dinosaur. That thing is freaking awesome. I did want to make my own, and I might post it on my channel. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. But anyways, stay tuned. There's a lot more videos to come. I just wanted to make sure I got this one out of the way because I have been expecting this for a while. And so yeah, it's amazing. Thanks, Edward. So yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, because if you guys do, guess what? You guys will see me on the next one. Peace.